Raoul Pal, the co-founder and CEO of global macro investor and Real Vision Group, has sparked debate after claiming that the crypto market valuation might increase by more than 100 times by 2030. The CEO and a former Goldman Sachs hedge fund manager has made some comments on XRP and has stated that he is all in on XRP despite all the negative news. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a lot of juicy news for you. We are going to talk about the fact that Raoul Pal went all in on XRP. So what exactly is the reason behind that? Is this because of the rumors about the settlement happening soon? What are Pal's thoughts on the SEC versus Ripple case? We are going to answer all of that for you today. Moreover, we have XRP price analysis and more information surrounding Ripple at the end. So if you're someone who likes to stay updated about the current cryptocurrency matters, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
In an interview with Thinking Crypto host, Raoul Pal explained why he holds XRP and how he views the crypto's assets risk to reward ratio. The former Goldman Sachs executive claims that he purchased the XRP approximately a year ago, citing the US Securities and Exchange Commission's against the payment startup company Ripple as a key motivator. Raoul Pal said, "I bought it because A, it has use cases and is being used, and B, the court has a fantastic risk to reward ratio. It got heavily discounted in the price, and then I looked at it and thought, well, what's it going to do? Fall 100% from here to zero? But if it gets solved, it's 10 times. And I'm like, well, that's a no-brainer. Why would you not take a 10-to-1 risk reward that has a catalyst around it?" As you all know, last December, the Securities and Exchange Commission filed accusations against Ripple Labs, alleging that the San Francisco-based payment startups marketed XRP as an unregistered security during its initial public offering. According to the regulators, XRP is still a security, whereas Raoul claims that his XRP wager is solely dependent on the outcome of the court case. Honestly guys, what's your opinion about the matter? Isn't this all about the court case? One of the main reasons why the price of XRP isn't going up is the court case and the fact that it has been taken off the market. It can't move forward until the lawsuit is settled because the world's most powerful country isn't allowed to invest easily in it. During the talk with Tony Edward, Raoul Pal further stated that Ripple and the ecosystem has a much broader use case than most people realize. The token's worth is so likely to be derived not from its store of value as we discussed earlier, but rather from the quantity of usage. This reveals that Raoul Pal is all in on XRP. He has predicted so many positive outcomes on XRP and how banks and other major financial institutions are ready to adopt XRP once this lawsuit ends. Furthermore, the stock market has seen a lot of movement in recent months, and if you possess a cryptocurrency, you need to be aware of what's going on in the market at all times, even with all the diverse ratings from some of the greatest experts in the field. It's not easy for the market to crash, however. Unfortunately, once the word gets out that the stock market is set to crash, the majority of the individuals are likely to panic sell. We feel that one of the most important reasons for this market to tumble is if some of the world's wealthiest people decide to abandon the market. When people like Warren Buffett depart the market, they may easily create a massive market meltdown. Elon Musk, for example, is in the same boat, and it just so happens that these two are likely to be the first to exit the stock market. More importantly, there are indications that free money may be phased out shortly, which may be disastrous for stockholders. For as long as anybody can remember, the main draw of owning stocks has always been the money. Regardless of how the stock market performs, even when the market is gloomy and your stocks are losing value, you may be confident that you will be credited with some cash in your wallet. As a result, the stock market became quite profitable. But if this is no longer the case, then why should anyone invest in stocks? When compared to the stock market, we are confident that most people will find the crypto market to be even more appealing. That's because the crypto market is more volatile in purchasing and selling crypto tokens in a short period of time. At the same time, it will easily net you a few additional coins. Stocks, on the other hand, are a different story. Buying and selling stocks can take months, if not years, to deliver significant returns. The market might also tumble if the Federal Reserve hikes the interest rates even by 1%. That in turn would boost the stock market by a similar amount, if not more, when the dividends are factored in, bringing the figure close to or beyond 2%. The government has been signaling for a long time that they would raise interest rates, which would be mind-boggling. We don't know about you, but a lot of what happens in the stock market coincides with some truths the government is hinted at. These billionaires may be flocking into the crypto market right now to recover their investment, resulting in a significant increase in their cryptocurrency holdings. It's altcoin season, which means that now is the greatest time to invest as much as possible. That said, why aren't you investing in altcoins, which you can obviously see are being used by billionaires to make extra money? Tell us in the comments section down below. Moving on, let's take a look at Elon's actions. Quite recently, Musk sold his Tesla stock for the second time. Elon actually discussed his sale because he is poised to pay the largest tax bill in US history, with the federal and California income taxes expected to total more than $11 billion. Elon will be forced to pay this tax bill in order to earn his stock options more than $23 million. But what if Elon Musk is indeed selling his stock because he is predicting a stock market crash? There is a possibility that Musk is selling his stock to invest in some of the cryptos that have the tendency to survive the crash. Musk is known to be a big fan of XRP and may be investing some of his money in cryptocurrencies. Now, honestly, nobody knows when the market crash might happen. Likewise, we are unaware of what will happen in the market, particularly with the new versions and the uncertainties surrounding economic policy. That is to say that you should not sell anything just because the market may crash. Accept it as a possibility and consider it as you plan your financial strategy. The truth is that it might rise another 20%, 30%, or 50% before falling according to our estimates. For decades, market corrections have been impossible to predict, but that doesn't change the fact that something similar will undoubtedly occur at some point. Simply because interest rates will ultimately revert to their historical average and all of this free money will evaporate. The dollar would almost certainly become extinct. Moving on to the SEC. They have filed a letter of supplemental authority to support its application to support Ripple's fair notice defense in the United States SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. Attorney Jeremy Hogan, a well-known legal expert with a great interest in the issue, recently reported the defense attorney James K. Filan, another XRP supporter, as providing an update on the case. In the Ripple case, it's the SEC that is trying to strike the affirmative defense of fair notice and has a high burden to meet, Hogan said, adding that the SEC's approach could be difficult for it. He also brought out the distinction between the SEC versus Fife case and the regulators versus Ripple case. We have a whole separate video on that, so don't forget to check that out too. This is it for today's video. If you want to continue to know more about Shiba Inu, XRP, or Ethereum, we have more videos waiting for you on our channel to check out. The data and analysis given in this video does not comprise investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. Kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies change frequently, so by the time you watch this, it might have changed to a whole new value. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section what you think about XRP skyrocketing in the upcoming few months. Are you going to buy XRP while it's cheap? Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, and see you in the next video.